Hello, Mr. Hebe here, and today we're going to put our animation on our screen. Well, it's not actually going to be an animation, really it's just going to be the part of the first frame in this video. In the next video we'll finish up that frame one. So I took my pisco and I put it on a X and Y axis. Keep in mind our Z is going to be 10 for this whole thing. So we have our X and Y axis, and what we can do is you can see where the pants are, the shirt, and the head. And what we're going to do is figure out what each of the coordinates is for this. So I'm going to go to the code, and first keep in mind that we got to make sure we have the screen on there. That's important. For each frame, we're going to do that. So I'm going to just make a comment of the frame, and then I'm going to look at what I need. I'm going to go from 4-1. All right, so I'm going to start with the pants and just tell you I'm doing the pants. And so I'm going to go from 4-1-10, because the Z is always 10, to 5-2-10. All right, so then we start off with mc.setBlocks and 4-1-10, and then 5-2-10. And now we get to pick the block. So 35 is our wool, and the variation of that is 11. So we need to type in 3511. All right, well, that's looking good. So let's see what happens when I run it. Awesome. That is our pants. That's what we were looking for. So now we need to do the shirt. Now the shirt has an arm and a shirt. What I'm going to do is I'm going to code that all 6 of those blocks as being green, and we're going to come back later and put the arm on top of it. So we're going to go make a comment just so we know where our shirt is at. I'm just going to say that's our shirt, and mc.setBlocks. And now let's take a look. We're going to go from 4-3 all the way to 5-5. All right. So now we go back to the code, and we're going to do a 4-3-10. Remember, Z is always 10, 5-5-10, and 35, comma. Now we want a lime. The green is a little too dark green, so I'm just going to do lime so it shows up a little bit better. And when I run it, there it is. All right, we got a good start here. So now we're going to do the head. And likewise, I'm going to make a whole big square red, just so, and then we can put the face features over the top. So we're going to go from 4-6 to 7-10. 4-6 to 7-10. All right, now let's go to the code. So we're going to do the head. So we can just, it's nice to let yourself and other people know what's going on. So mc.setBlocks, 4-6-10, and then we are going to go to, what is it, 7-10-10. That should be right. So till 7-10-10. And now we're going to do red. So that's 35, comma, where's red at? There it is, 14. All right. Now when we run it, there is a red head. And now we'll finish up soon.